boy. Hey guys, it's Wally. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, leave a like and subscribe and comment your favorite color. There's this place called SmileDirect Club and they fix your teeth. When I went there, it only took 30 minutes for them to look at my teeth and everything. And they asked me if I wanted aligners. They offered me a free whitening kit. This is the LED light right here. This is the stuff that you put on your teeth to whiten your teeth. This is basically the stuff that you're gonna be putting on your teeth that's gonna make your teeth whiter. And you're gonna be putting this on after you put that on. So I'm gonna show you how to use it. So grab your toothbrush and your toothpaste. This is the toothpaste I use. You can use any kind, really. It doesn't matter. But the first thing you're gonna do is brush your teeth. So let's do that. Step one, what we're gonna do is brush our teeth. This is what we're gonna do next. We're gonna put this on our teeth. So what we do is just twist the bottom and then the gel gonna come up. You're gonna put this on your teeth. So you just apply it. After you put it on, you're gonna grab this and you're gonna plug it in. So you plug it in and you gotta set your timer on your phone or set a timer for 5 minutes. Oh, actually look, this the LED light. You put it in your mouth. Yeah, you just take it out. You take it out your mouth and then you just spit it out. That's it. That's all you gotta do. Yeah. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I want to thank SmileDirect Club for giving me the opportunity to align my teeth. And I just want to say thanks for watching this video. If you want, you can subscribe. I make other videos too. It only gets better from here. So just, rock with me. Stay tuned. It's free to subscribe. Make sure you like the video too. Comment your favorite color in the comment. And that's it. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.